Good morning, teacher Ikleshmar. My name is Robinson Romero. Today I want to introduce a very special person. She is my life. Her name is Paula Andrea Hernandez Sanchez. Her name is Paula Andrea Hernandez Sanchez. She is 31 years old. Her birthday is on January 14, 1995. She is Colombian. She is live in Bogota, Colombia. She was a nurse assistant. She is a keen, responsible, and hardworking person. She likes helping people every day. In her free time, she likes spending time with our family, listening to music, watching movies, learning new things. Every day, she keeps early on the goes to work. She'll have a pattern during the day. After work, she'll go home, spend time with her family, students. She goes to bed. I am very proud of because she is loving, dedicated. He always waits her best. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.